Hello and welcome to Google Analytics video course. In this chapter, I am going to show you how you can create a campaign tagging or how you can track your marketing campaigns. Okay. For example, just to give you an example here, if I go into acquisition and go to campaigns, click all campaigns. Now you will see all these campaigns are coming from different data source. Campaign has been tagged, and if I click this, if I want to see that this particular campaign has come from partners and affiliate. Now, when you run a campaign, whether you run a campaign on Facebook, Google, or wherever else, now you need to, if you want to know the data source, that means for that campaign, how many people have come from emails, how many people have come from Facebook post or Twitter post, things like that, so that you can actually understand the more data points that this source is coming directly from Twitter post or Facebook post or email. Okay, for that you need to go into Google URL Builder. It's a free tool. Click on that, and then you will see Campaign URL Builder. And once you see this page, all you have to do is fill in your website URL, campaign source. It can be it can be Google, or it can be newsletter, campaign medium, email or banner or CPC, the campaign name, anything. Once you have filled in these details, it will give you this particular link. Okay. Now this link, as you can see, this link, it has a UTM source. That means there's a tracking URL, which is the source you have put as a newsletter, and then the UTM medium, that means it has an email. If you put the campaign name, let's say SMT, that's a campaign name, then it automatically will also track, or it will be tagged for UTM campaign. Once you have set this up, you can just take this, copy that, and then you can just post it on your social media, on Facebook, Twitter, or in your email. Once you do this, then obviously, as I have shown you the example here, you can actually start tracking of the campaigns that you're running, and you can see the data source, as this data source is coming from partners or affiliate, and so on. It will show on for Facebook, Twitter, whichever campaign URL you have created the tagging for. It's called campaign tagging, and it is done through Google URL Builder. It is a free tool. You just have to create all these, you just have to fill this small form and just put all these details in these fields, and it'll give you an URL, or it will give you a link where you just need to put it in your email or any of the social media campaigns. Okay, so that is how you will actually create the URL campaign tagging, and you will track your marketing campaigns. All right, this is it for this chapter. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.